In this video, I'm going to show you how to update TikTok app on Android. You can also do this on your iPhone. So if you are a TikTok addict, then you need to make sure you stay on top of the update of phone to get the relevant TikTok features. So if you're done with this video, you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to update TikTok application is go to your phone app store. In this case, I'm going to go to the Play Store on Android. So if you're using iPhone, you need to go to the App Store. Open it. Once you open the App Store application or Play Store, search for TikTok. Then click on it. Once you click on the TikTok, just know whether there is an update available or not. As you can see, I have an update available and the update is already pending download. So I can cancel this. Then tap the update again. Once you click on the update, this is going to download the latest TikTok update and install it on your device. As you can see, the latest update for the TikTok application is about 116 MB. Then you need to wait until this application is downloaded and installed on your device. Mark you, during the process of downloading, you can still use the TikTok application, but once the TikTok application has downloaded completely and is ready to install, you may need to stop using the application and do not try to upload videos or your short videos to TikTok at this time, because if you do, the TikTok update will close down the TikTok application and the process will not be able to complete. Now, once the download process is completed, you should see the TikTok update installing. So at this point, if you go ahead to open the TikTok application will close automatically during the process, or you'll be told that TikTok application is undergoing upgrading and this application is going to close automatically by itself. Now, once the update process is completed, you can go ahead and open the TikTok application and then continue using the platform again. So this is how you can easily update the TikTok app on your Android phone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.